In this video, we will look at the binomial series. So binomial series expansion of the function of fx can be derived as, you can look at this one. So this is a plus x power of n is equals to a power of n plus n times a power of n minus 1x plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial times a power of n minus 2 x squared plus n minus 1 n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial a power of n minus 3 times x cubed. So again, if this is a plus x power of n is equals to, the first one is a power of n. So a can be any value. It can be 1, it can be 3, or it can be negative value. So plus, the first part actually we can write as a, just like differentiation, multiply n to the front and then n minus 1. So a power of n minus 1 over, actually here is 1 factorial. So here is x, and then you can write for this one, for the second part, plus, let's say multiply n minus 1 to the front. I will have n times n minus 1 a power of n minus 2 over 2 factorial. Here is x squared plus, just like differentiation, multiply n minus 2 to the front. So we have n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 and then a power of n minus 3 over 3 factorial x cubed. So this is how we're going to get this one. Multiply to the front. Same thing, multiply to the front, just like differentiation. So only in this case is a. So if you look at this example 6, find the first 4 terms against the first 4 terms for the binomial series for the expansion of 1 plus 2x power 4, given the binomial series is this one. So fortunately, the binomial series is given. So you just have to substitute the value of x and n. So in this case, you can see that for this x, now we change to 2x. So it means that 1 plus 4, where our n start with 4. So 4, x change to 2x. Plus this one, substitute with 4. N is 4. So in this case, our n is 4. So here we can see 4, 4 minus 1, 2 factorial, x change to 2x. Same 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2. So from this one, you can see here is x cubed, change to x cubed, and then we simplify. If this series is given, then this is much easier. Let's say it's not given. So find the binomial series expansion for this part as far as the term containing x cubed. So, like I always mention, it is better that we know how to write the formula. Means that, let's say, a plus x power of n. So the first one is a power of n plus, and then we have, just multiply n to the front, we have n times a power of n minus 1 over 1 factorial and then x. The second part, again, multiply n to the front, n minus 1 to the front, n times n minus 1 and then a power of n minus 2 over 2 factorial x squared plus, finally, multiply n minus 2 to the front, n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. Just write differentiation. And then a power of n minus 3 over 3 factorial x cubed. So based on this one, here is our function, which is 1 plus x over 3 square root, means that power of 1 over 2. So in this case, our n is equals to 1 over 2. So first is equals to our A is 1. So A here is 1. N is 1 over 2. Here is our N, 1 over 2. Plus N, 1 over 2. A is 1. Power of N minus 1. N minus 1 means that 1 over 2 minus 1. Over 1 factorial is 1. And then X plus N 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1. A power of N minus 2. So means that A, okay, sorry. Before that, A is 1. N minus 2. N minus 2 means that 1 over 2 minus 2. Over 2 factorial is 2. And then we have X squared. So here is 2. And then plus N. 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 2. And then A 1 over 2 minus 3 over 3 factorial is 6. And then X cubed. Before that, sorry about that, our A is 1. Change to 1. Just remember one formula and then we just substitute. If A is 1, then we substitute 1. So 1 power of 1 over 2. 1 power of any value is 1. Plus, here is 1 over 2. 1 power of any value is 1 over 1 x plus, here we get 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. 1 power of any value again is 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 power of negative 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 2. Negative 3 over 2. Any value, power of 1 power of any value is 1 over 6. And then x cubed. So we try to simplify this part. 1 plus, here is 1 over 2x plus, here 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 4 divided by 2. So here is, for this part, if you're using a calculator, here I should have negative 1 over 8 x squared. Whereas for this part, plus, let's say, 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2 times negative 3 over 2 divided by 6. So here I get 1 over 16 x power of 3. So here is what we get for this binomial expansion.